We'll guide you through how to review your tasks in Todoist effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Todoist's website. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your projects and tasks are listed. To start your review, you can go to the left-hand menu and click on the Today section to see all tasks due today. This is a great place to begin, as you can quickly assess what needs your immediate attention. Now, to dive deeper, navigate to the Upcoming section. This will display tasks scheduled for the coming days and weeks. Here, you can adjust due dates by dragging and dropping tasks to different days on the calendar, which is super handy for managing your workload. If you have a specific project in mind, click on that project from the left menu. This will show you all tasks related to that project. It's a good idea to periodically review each project's tasks to ensure everything is on track. While reviewing, make sure to check off completed tasks by clicking the checkbox next to each one. This not only helps keep your list clean, but also gives you a satisfying sense of accomplishment. Additionally, you can use the Filters feature, found in the left menu, to create custom views of your tasks, like filtering by priority or labels, which helps in focusing on what's most important. Remember, regular reviews help keep your task list relevant and achievable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.